revolutionize your outreach and connect with more prospects faster than ever before. To begin, simply navigate to your Dealmachine dashboard and locate the New Dialer option in the sidebar menu. First, you'll create a new dialing session. Choose the specific leads or lists you want to call, allowing you to focus your efforts efficiently. Next, configure your session settings. Select your preferred caller ID and choose or create a call script directly within the platform to keep your message consistent. This is where the AI truly shines. Our intelligent system automatically detects voicemails, allowing you to instantly drop a pre-recorded message and move on to the next prospect without missing a beat. Once your session is set up, click the Start Dialing button. The AI will begin calling through your list, connecting you to live answers while handling the repetitive tasks. During a call, you'll have immediate access to the contact's details. Take notes, mark dispositions, and manage your conversation all from one intuitive screen. When you're ready to conclude, the system provides a comprehensive session summary, detailing your calls, connections, and overall productivity. Simply click End Session. Our AI-powered dialer empowers you to maximize your outreach, ensuring you spend less time dialing and more time having meaningful conversations that drive deals. Get started today and transform your prospecting.